Welcome to our review of Tube Mastery and Monetization for 2025. We'll give you an honest and vivid analysis. The main question is, can you really grow a YouTube channel from scratch and get 1,000 subscribers easily and fast? Tube Mastery is a step-by-step training program created by online entrepreneur Matt Par. It teaches you how to create, grow, and monetize a YouTube channel, including the option to do so without showing your face. It focuses on strategy, consistency, and proper niche selection for real results. Tube Mastery is ideal for absolute beginners and those struggling to gain views or subscribers. It's perfect for anyone seeking passive income from YouTube without being on camera. However, it is not suitable if you expect instant success or a get-rich-quick approach. The program includes multiple modules, starting with a welcome and overview. Key sections cover the 3-stage growth strategy, niche selection, channel setup with SEO and optimization, and video creation, including outsourcing workflows. Later modules dive into uploading and optimization with algorithm insights, growth analytics, and monetization methods like ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. The training concludes with scaling and outsourcing, plus bonus access to helpful resources. Enrollment includes irresistible bonuses, such as access to the exclusive Tube Mastermind community. You also get lists of over 100 profitable niches and 239 example channels, along with fill-in-the-blank video script and workflow templates. Additional bonuses include optimization checklists, affiliate program lists, job posting and hiring templates, and business and tax guidance for creators. All these resources are designed to significantly fast-track your channel's growth. With Tube Mastery, you gain a clear roadmap to your first 1,000 subscribers. You'll learn to create faceless videos without costly equipment, optimize content for the algorithm, and confidently launch multiple channels for sustainable revenue growth. Looking at the pros, it is very beginner-friendly and provides step-by-step modules. The program includes many useful templates, checklists, and workflows, focuses on real growth, and uses a proven faceless channel strategy. The main cons are the $997 price, which is a significant commitment. It requires consistent effort, as results are not overnight, and some recommended tools may involve extra costs. Always visit the official site and avoid third-party links. Real user results show many students reach monetization within 3 to 6 months. Initial earnings often range from $100 to over $500. Testimonials praise the program's clarity and effectiveness, noting the community support is crucial for motivation. The pricing is $997 for a one-time payment or 3 installments of $366, offering lifetime access and updates. Compared to hiring a coach, the comprehensive training and bonuses save significant time and effort, making it a valuable investment. Our honest verdict is that Tube Mastery is the most comprehensive system for reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you are serious about sustainable YouTube growth, this proven program is a smart investment, despite the price commitment. Growing a channel requires patience, but Tube Mastery provides a proven roadmap. With full modules, excellent bonuses, and community support, you can take control of your channel growth. Click the link below to start your path to YouTube success today. Growing a YouTube channel is not easy. Most beginners fail because they lack a proven system. Instead of wasting time on random tips, Tube Mastery provides the exact, step-by-step strategy to reach those crucial milestones faster and smarter. We are Digital Trust Reviewers. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews of top digital products. Turn knowledge into action. Click the link below to start Tube Mastery today. Remember, consistency plus a proven system equals YouTube success. With Tube Mastery, you receive exclusive bonuses, ready-made templates, scripts, graphics, and community support to speed up your growth. You must be consistent, but this system offers everything you need in one package. Stop guessing and follow the proven path.